Jai Shri Ram. I am going to explain design and test of a DC regulated power supply circuit. This is the circuit. In this circuit you can see first we have a transformer. Circuit setup is there. Here already I have rigged up the circuit. I am going to explain the circuit here. It will be very easier to explain here. So AC power supply from the socket we have to take it and we have to give it to the transformer. So this is the transformer here we have. In this transformer we are taking the output of the transformer from the secondary of the transformer, that is 12 0. So we are taking 12 and 0 volt, that is we are going to connect it to the rectifier. So what is the role of the rectifier? So first here rectifier rectifies the signal, that is what we are going to get. The signal what we are receiving from the transformer is the AC signal, and that AC signal is given as the input to the rectifier, and output of the rectifier will be the pulsating DC signal. Why pulsating means small component of AC component will be available in that rectifier output also, that will be there. Then we are going to give it to the filter. So after that filter we are going to give it to the regulator. So our input of the regulator, regulator is a, here we have IC, we have used 7805 IC. So what is that 7805 is? It is a regulator IC having 5 volt as the output, 5 volt DC output. So it will continuously it will give 5 volt as the output. So that is 7805 IC. Suppose if you use 7812 IC, what it will do is it will give 12 volt output as DC output. So here we have used 7805 IC. So the output of this rectifier is given to the regulator. So regulator input is given to this output of the rectifier, and from there we have given it to the filter. Filter is that we have put one this one, what is that, capacitor, and from the capacitor we have given it to the regulator. In the regulator, output of the regulator will be 5 volt. So once if you give the signal to the regulator, the whatever may be the voltage, it will give 5 volt constant output. So I will show that here. So this is the circuit setup, the same circuit setup what I have explained here in this block diagram, same here the circuit. So this is the transformer. If I switch on the transformer, so the input AC signal will come to the transformer, to the primary of the transformer. From the secondary of the transformer we have given it to the bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier is it will give the full wave output, full wave rectifier output. So from there we are going to give it to the regulator. This is the 7805 IC regulator. IC will have 3 pins. One is input, one is ground, and one more is output pin. So input pin is given to the this one filter as well as to the bridge rectifier. So if I switch on, I will show the output now. So I will switch on this. So if as soon as I switch on the input, that is the AC supply, 230 volt AC supply. So output of the transformer will be 12 volt AC supply. So 12 volt AC supply. 12 volt AC supply is given to the bridge rectifier, which is from that bridge rectifier, output of the bridge rectifier will be the pulsating DC. That pulsating DC is given to the filter, and from the filter we are going to give it to the regulator. From the regulator input we are going to get the output in the output side of the regulator, that is pin number 3 of the regulator. So from there we are going to get the output. So I will switch it on. I will just switch on this. You can observe. So here we are getting 12 volt. From the 12 volt we are giving to the bridge rectifier. From the bridge rectifier we are going to give it to the this one regulator IC, 7805 IC. So output you can see here. This is a 5 volt constant DC. You can see here my knob is in the DC supply itself, DC voltage itself. So you can see 20 volt. I have kept it for 20 volt range. So we are getting a constant 5 volt DC output in the output side, that is at the load side. Yes. Thank you.